Hi friends, we have a new topic here today. So this is about the drug modifying rheumatoid arthritis drug, disease modifying rheumatoid arthritis drug, and there are few important drugs in three categories for which we will see the mnemonic also. How to remember? These are very important and high yielding topic for exam. So first of all, we would learn what are the exact drugs and their mechanism of action, and then we will see the mnemonic and we will make a story to remember this. Okay, so here we start. Before starting, I would like to ask you for subscribing, liking and share, and hit the bell icon with all notification on so that you don't miss any upcoming video. uh, okay, so this is disease modifying rheumatoid arthritis drugs. So let me tell you, rheumatoid arthritis is a disease which involves multiple system in the body and mainly seen in 30 to 40 year age group of females, most predominantly, and joints are affected. Here we will see immunosuppressants first, then we will see biologic response modifier, and we will see adjuvant drugs क्या यूज़ होती हैं. तो इस कैटेगरी में कुछ 5-6 ड्रग्स हैं. देर आर 4 to 5 drugs in this category. So here is methotrexate. Immunosuppressant category we are discussing. These are 3 drugs: methotrexate, azathioprine and cyclosporin. For this, the mnemonic goes from the first letter MAC. Mac is a person. I will tell you the story in the last. And the second drug is sulfasalazine. From here we will take Sala, SALA, in the mnemonic. Okay, so in Hindi people will understand what is Sala. And then gold and D-penicillamine. Here we will take for our mnemonic G, D and P, E. And then comes the chloroquine or HCQS, which is these days very famous for COVID-19 and coronavirus treatment. And then comes the leflunomide. So here the mnemonic goes Mac, Sala, Gode Pe. Gode ko we can remember is Ghoda, means horse. Chal liya. So you can see Ghoda. This is the horse. Okay. Horse is equal to Ghoda. GODE. This is very easy. You have to keep patience and listen to it till last. And this is Mac, a person who is Mac, and he is having RA, rheumatoid arthritis. अब since he is having RA, so he use घोड़ा. जो उसको जहाँ भी जाना होता है वो घोड़े का यूज़ करता है. Mac. This is Mac. And Sala. His friends with love call him Sala. Mac Sala. This is Mac. He is Sala. GODE. घोड़े पे. This is घोड़ा. चल लिया. चल means chloroquine. लिया means leflunomide. So Mac Sala घोड़े पे चल लिया. Now you can see M for methotrexate. Okay. Now I will focus on only the mnemonic so that you can remember. M for mnemonic. M for methotrexate. A for azathioprine. C for cyclosporin. Okay. Mac. Then Sala is sulfasalazine. G for gold. D P means D-penicillamine. Mac Sala घोड़े पे चल लिया. Chal means chloroquine or hydroxychloroquine. LIA means leflunomide. So you can again see Mac, Sala, Gode Pe, Chal Liya. This is very easy mnemonic. You will never remember. I remember this in MBBS second year, and up till now I have not forget it yet. Then comes the biologic response modifier or the modulator. So in this category there is also mnemonic we have. One is TNF, tumor necrosis factor alpha inhibitor. 3 drugs come under this: etanercept, infliximab and adalimumab. You should understand this. MAB represents monoclonal antibody. Then comes the interleukin 1 antagonist, which is anakinra. So you can remember this. Anna and ET, 2 girls are there who are friends. They are not famous, means infamous in advertising company. So Anna and ET are infamous in advertising company. Why? Because they are having rheumatoid arthritis disease, so they cannot act well, they cannot do well in advertisement. So Anna and ET infamous in ad, and here we saw Mac Sala घोड़े पे चल लिया. And the last one is adjuvant, which is corticosteroid. So in usually I prefer in OPD Visolone, and then we taper down. So for rheumatoid arthritis mainly we use Visolone as a corticosteroid, and these you use last, like in the beginning we don't use for treatment. And from here we will use methotrexate in 7.5 dose, 7.5 mg per week we give, and rest 5 to 6 days we give folic acid, because this is related to folic acid metabolism and pathway. So this is you can take the screenshot so that you don't have to revisit it again and again, and you can remember. Once again, there are three categories: immunosuppressant. I am making a revise: biological response modifier and adjuvant. Here methotrexate, azathioprine, cyclosporin, MEC, sulfasalazine, gold, D-penicillamine, chloroquine and hydroxychloroquine and leflunomide. So MEC साला घोड़े पे चल लिया. This is MEC, this is घोड़े पे चल रहा है. And this is ET, etanercept, infliximab, adalimumab, anakinra, ana and ET infamous in NET, then corticosteroid. So this goes the whole picture. I hope you will this will be helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe, and if you want any specific video, ask me in the comment box whether you liked it or not, and suggest me what to improve and what other videos and topics I can take for the mnemonic. Thank you very much guys, all the best, keep rocking.